Water. It's a simple, yet essential element of life. We've all heard the advice to drink at least 8 glasses a day. But do we really understand just how important water is for our health? Our bodies are made up of about 60% water. Every cell, tissue, and organ in our body relies on water to function properly. It helps regulate body temperature, lubricates joints, aids in digestion, and carries nutrients and oxygen to cells. Without enough water, our bodies simply can't perform at their best. Dehydration is a serious issue. When we don't drink enough water, our bodies can't function properly. We may experience symptoms like fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and even confusion. Chronic dehydration can lead to more serious health problems like kidney stones, urinary tract infections, and even kidney failure. But it's not just about preventing dehydration. Drinking water has a multitude of health benefits. It can help with weight loss by boosting metabolism and reducing appetite. It can improve skin health by keeping it hydrated and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. It can even help prevent certain types of cancer, like bladder and colon cancer. Water is also essential for proper digestion. It helps break down food and absorb nutrients, while also preventing constipation. Drinking water before meals can even help with weight loss by making us feel fuller and reducing the amount of food we eat. But how much water should we really be drinking? The 8 glasses a day rule is a good starting point, but it's not one size fits all. Factors like age, weight, activity level, and climate can all affect how much water we need. A good rule of thumb is to drink enough water so that your urine is pale yellow or clear. If it's dark yellow, you're likely not drinking enough. And what about other beverages? While things like coffee, tea, and soda can contribute to our daily fluid intake, water is still the best choice. These other beverages often contain added sugars, caffeine, and other additives that can have negative effects on our health. Water is calorie-free, sugar-free, and doesn't contain any harmful additives. So how can we make sure we're getting enough water every day? One simple way is to carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go. This makes it easy to sip on water throughout the day, whether you're at work, at the gym, or running errands. You can also set reminders on your phone or use an app to track your water intake. Some people find it helpful to drink a glass of water first thing in the morning and before each meal. It's also important to listen to your body. Thirst is a sign that you're already dehydrated, so don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water. Pay attention to other signs of dehydration, like dark urine, dry mouth, and fatigue. If you're feeling any of these symptoms, reach for a glass of water right away. In conclusion, drinking water is essential for our health. It's not just about preventing dehydration, but also about reaping the many benefits that water has to offer. By making a conscious effort to drink enough water every day, we can improve our overall health and well-being. So grab a glass of water and drink up. Your body will thank you.